Is foundation repair covered by insurance? It really depends on what caused the damage in the first place, so you gotta know the details of your policy to understand what's covered and what's not. Here's the deal. If a water pipe running through your foundation breaks and causes a leak, fixing that pipe itself usually is not covered by insurance, even if they have to break up the concrete to get to it. But the actual repair of the foundation that got damaged because of that leak often is covered. On the other hand, if your foundation is cracking because your house is settling over time, most insurance policies do not cover that kind of repair since it's considered normal wear and tear. If you have a sinkhole causing your foundation damage, coverage depends on whether you specifically bought sinkhole protection. If not, you're probably out of luck. Other causes, like earthquakes or floods, are also usually separate add-ons or not covered unless you have special riders on your policy. The big thing is to always read your insurance policy carefully and ask your agent exactly what kinds of foundation problems are covered. If you're buying a new policy, think about adding extra coverage for things like sinkholes or water damage, since it can save you a ton of headache later. And remember, documenting the damage right away with photos and reports helps speed up claims if you do qualify. One of the biggest mistakes people make when dealing with foundation repair insurance claims is assuming all foundation problems are covered. That's just not true. Fix it by checking your policy closely and asking for clarifications before you need it. Another common issue is not having photos or proof when filing a claim. Insurers want solid evidence, so take lots of pictures as soon as you notice any cracks or leaks. Lastly, people often skip buying extra coverage for things like sinkholes or water damage. They figure it won't happen to them. But those add-ons can be lifesavers later, so seriously consider them when you sign up for your homeowner's insurance. BigHomeProjects.com makes it super easy for homeowners to find trusted local contractors who know their stuff about foundation repairs and more. Plus, it helps contractors connect with people who need their skills, making the whole process smooth and reliable for everyone involved.